When looking at your outfits, you have multiple viewing options depending on what you want to see. To see these different viewing options, let's navigate to the Outfits page. Once on this page, tap the arrow at the bottom of the page to expand the viewing filters. Tapping Outfits pulls up the official Front Fighters outfit formulas, which you can further filter using the filters on the left-hand side. If you own more than one outfit collection, you can select it here by tapping the collection. You can also filter by things like formality and season. Let's clear these filters and select the Women's Essentials collection, as that is the collection most members own. Back on the bottom filters, tapping Community pulls up outfits customized and uploaded by other members of the Front Fighters community. And tapping Mine pulls up all of the outfits that you have uploaded to the interactive. You can see whether these outfits are visible to all members or are private here on this card. If you find that this filter pulls up few or no results, be sure to clear any filters you've put in place to see more outfits. Now, let's see only outfits you can make. We'll expand this filter and tap Outfits, and let's select the Women's Essentials collection again. Now, we'll tap the toggle Only Outfits I Can Make. What this feature will do is look through your closet and find the outfits that you own both the top and bottom for, or the dress for. It may take a few moments for this feature to work, as it's looking through the pieces that you own and comparing it to the outfit formulas available in the collections you've purchased. Once it's finished working, you will see the outfit formulas you can try, since you've marked these items in your closet. To check to see what you've marked in the closet, navigate to the closet, and in the Sort By dropdown, select Status Have. The feature on the Explore Outfits page we are using will look for tops and bottoms you've marked with a check mark that you've said you own. It is also looking for dresses that you've checked and said you own. Back on the Explore Outfits page, we can see that the results listed are jumping from 2 to 3A and from 8A to 10, as those outfits we don't have all the pieces for are being filtered out. Something to note, this feature is only checking to see if you have the main components of the formula, the top and bottoms, or the dress. If there are accessories or completer pieces in the formula that you haven't marked as owned, this feature will still show you that outfit, as those pieces are optional and can be changed. Another item to be aware of is the bottom menu here on the Explore Outfits page. It will remember your selection the next time you navigate to the Explore Outfits page, so if you want to save time when you next visit the page, be sure to select the bottom filter you prefer before navigating away. And that is how you can see only the outfits you have the pieces for.